Our farms work together to bring your family top-quality eggs, laid by hens living a natural life. And we're proud to show you every detail about how your eggs get from the farm to the store. Our hens live in certified, humane raised and handled conditions, and there are no cages. Our farmers follow strict standards, far exceeding industry norms. The barns are very pleasant and clean. Okay, to you maybe not, but to chickens, these are 4-star barns. First, there's plenty of elbow room for scratching and dust bathing, giving the hens room to really flap up a storm to keep themselves clean. And when the hens are ready to get down to business, they love the private nesting areas. As for dining, there's always a spot open at the feeders or waterers. Our hens never need a reservation. And the food is 100% vegetarian, no animal byproducts. Plus, no hormones, no antibiotics, just the grains and nutrients that chickens love. Daily inspections by our farmers keep the hens in tip-top health. Our farms have an open barn door policy, so once the hens' work is done, it's recess time out in the pasture. Scratch at the ground, look for unsuspecting bugs, play hide and seek among the grass and shrubs, scratch some more, relax in the sunshine and fresh air. After a busy day, our hens are tucked into their comfy barns, away from any predators. There's lots of room for roosting, and seriously, our hens appreciate these lovely accommodations. Happy, healthy hens lay delicious eggs. And our eggs don't have it so bad either. Always handled gently, of course. Where the hens are naturally raised, so it's good for the bird, good for the land, and great for you.